is it?
What is that right there? What did we find? We found a stray cat. Maybe it has rabies.
Rabies. You're ridiculous.
The funnest person to go on a walk with. I'm like,
Rusty nails and rabid cats. Do you see it?
Where is it? Right there.
Take your hood off. Where's the kitty going?
Meow. Ollie. I see his booty.
Say bye-bye. Bye-bye, kitty. Bye-bye, kitty. Say bye-bye. No, don't eat the stick. Bye-bye, kitty.
There you go. Yeah.
Yeah. Let's go look at something else.
Do you remember what a puppy says, Ollie? I heard a little bit.